Okay, good morning everyone. So today we are going to finish the track part. That's something we didn't do before. So I will delete everything and start from zero. So I will hide all of them, all the things we have done before. Press H to hide. So first things I would like to do, don't forget to turn on your shortcut viewer so that you can see your operations. Press Shift A, go to curve, create a circle, press S key for enlarge this one, and press Shift D for copy. Press S again to smaller both of them, and press Ctrl A for apply all transform. So the basic has been done. Next part, press Shift A to create a cube, and press S for smaller cube, Ctrl A, apply all transform. Let's go to modifier and using array. So inside array, rather than relative offset, for if you're using relative offset, it will be deform your object. And so rather than this one, I'd like to using constant offset. Okay, and then you can define the number you want. And then second part, I'm going to using a curve modifier. And if you're using curve modifier, you can make object flow or be deformed based on the curve you choose. So let's choose in the curve here. So you can see now the object has been deformed based on the geometries. So if you press S and Z, we can adjust the object because for now actually we are still modify the original object. So we can just press S and Z to modify the object. And if you hope it can be smaller, press S and Z, make this one lower, and press S and X, make this one smaller. And still you can change the size. So just to change the distance X, you can change how many number you want to have. And choosing the number of count, you can choose how many number of sticks you want to have. And also you can, rather than fix count, you can choose in fit length. And you can choose the length, number of the length right here. Or we can just use a fit curve. And you can choose the curve you want to fit. Basically it will be right here. And you can change the distance right here. But probably I will just use a fixed count. It will be easier for you. And maybe 29 will be fine. And also still we can do some adjustment about the cube. So press S and Y, make this one shorten, and press S for all of them, adjust the proportions. Once you finish, just press apply, and you will be done. So we still can make this one smaller, so smaller everything, and press S and Z, make this one more flattened because it's supposed to be like a wooden plate. Okay, so this wooden plate has been done. So next part about the curve, I'd like to using the curve property right here. And if you remember, we can just using the profile right here and change the extrusions. And for this one, maybe I will just type in 0.02. And for this one as well, 0.02. And we can go to modifier, apply a solidify modifier. But for now, it doesn't have much functions because right now it's still a curve. It's not a solid geometries. So in order to make these two curves become solid geometries, we need to go to Object, Convert, Mesh. So for now, press your Tab key, and now they have been transformed into mesh. So let's connect all of them, Ctrl J for join, and go to modifier, choosing solidify. And for now, you can change the thickness. Okay, and also you can using go to object data property and choosing normal, auto smooth, or maybe not. Well, probably no. It will be better for you. And something I think is a little bit weird because let's go back to modifier again. probably some part become we have to take a look about the normal. So let's go to shade mode right here, and let's take a look of face orientation. It looks okay, so probably let's just try to do some let's just try to using the Shift N to auto fix the normal. So let's press apply, go to tab key and object mode apply, and press tab key, select all of them, press Shift N, and let's take a look of face orientations again. So for now it looks okay. And right click on this one, shade flat. I think it will be better. Okay, so for now it looks fine. So let's go to the side view. For now, I think it doesn't have the same height because when we are working on that, probably something was wrong. So let's go to tab key under edit mode, go to frame mode, vertex, select all the bottom vertex, and using your scale key to make this one flatten, so it will be down. And for the bottom one as well. You can just type in SY0 or sorry, SZ0. Let's do that again. SZ0. Okay. So it has been flattened on the same level. So we can, well, if you want, we can still do make some details. Select all of them and press Ctrl B for bevel. So it will have more detail. Okay, so let's go to object mode, go to the side view, and move the wooden plate to the top of the track. And let's call out everything right here. Also, we can do some organization. We can organize our model. So select all of them and move them up. Press M key and move them to a new collection. And I will call that one track. Press OK. And also, we can make this one become parent relationship. So select this one. This is a song, and this one, the track, it will be the parent. Press Ctrl P and set parent to the track. So for now, the wooden plate will move with the track. Okay, so go to the top view. Make sure they are on the same position. Press scale down, and let's take a look. Go to the solid mode. Well, I think it looks okay, but probably it's supposed to be smaller. And move this one down. Let's turn off the face orientation. About for this part, I think there's something wrong here. So let's fix that. L and Shift N. Okay, fix. So let's turn off that one and take a look of the result. It looks fine. So that's a quick tutorial about how to make the track. See you next time. Don't forget to save your file.